Hello everyone, welcome to a new series of Moodle 101. In this series, we will be learning the Moodle LMS software in great depth. Now, this is basically a learning management system which helps the faculties or the teachers to deliver their electronic content to the students in an efficient manner. So, we will be learning each and every uh, concept of Moodle step by step in a series of video lectures. So to begin with, we will start with the basics of once your administrator has assigned a subject to your account, then how to start adding topics to the course. So let us begin. So this is the dashboard of Moodle. This is basically the administrator of this website has changed the theme, so that's why it may be looking slightly different. So, but the basic idea is that as soon as you open the dashboard, on the left hand side, you will see all the courses that you have been enrolled into or the courses that you are teaching, and on the center region, that is the course overview, this will also show you all the subjects that you are currently teaching the students. Okay, and so here the first task is to select the subject in which you want to add the task. So for right now I'm going to add subject. I'm going to edit this particular subject, basics of C, in throughout this series. So let's open that particular subject. As you see, this is how your interface of your subject will look at the beginning. Okay, so at the end of this series you will see this entire page will be populated with a lot of contents. So let us begin one by one. The first step to start developing your course is to edit the settings of your subject. Okay, and if you click over here this gear symbol, and if you click over here, this is the settings that is the first settings that we are going to see. Okay, so this settings will help you to change the basic structure, basic parameters of this particular subject. Okay, so let's click on that and we will see the options that are there. So here you can see the basic the name of the subject, the short name, then it what type of course category, etc. So you need not change these things, and here you can specify a little bit of introduction to your subject. And if you come down, you can see there are certain other parameters that you can change. So right now the thing that I'm going to change is I am going to select this into topic format. Okay, so by default it is in topics format. So if it is not, you can select it in topics format. So that is what I'm going to use in our series. So if anybody is interested in any other format, they can obviously change it from here. Once that is done, uh, rest of the things you can just check if anything is needs to be changed. Most of the things will remain the same. No need to change anything over here, and click save and display. So once that is done, our basic setting is setting up of our course is done. Now the first thing that I usually do is to add the topics to the subject. Okay, so now where before adding the topics, I would like to show you that there is a section above the topics, that is this particular section. Now this section belongs to the common area, where now usually if you have uh, some content to be uploaded in a specific topic, then you should use uh, the add topics, create a new topic and add all the contents over there. And if you have some contents which are common to the entire course, like for example, let's say you have syllabus of this particular thing, or you want to upload the teaching plan of your subject, then those things can be directly uploaded on the common section. So this is the common section. And right now we are going to learn how to create a new topic. Okay, so basically it's very simple. Just click on add topics, and it will it will just ask you how many topics you want to add. Now before selecting the number, obviously you can change it later also. So before selecting the number, it is always a better to open your syllabus. So this is the syllabus for the subject that I'm trying to make the uh, Moodle account. So if you look at this, the way you create the topics is completely depends on the faculty. Okay, so some faculties may decide that I want one topic per module. Okay, so in basically here in the syllabus there are 6 modules, so I will create 6 topics. Some other faculty may decide, no, I will have one topic for each subtopic. Let's say one topic for this one, another topic for this one, and another topic for this one. So like that I will have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 topics. Okay, so now this completely depends on the user, or basically the faculty. So right now I am going to stick to one module, one topic. Okay, so I will create total 6 modules and click on add. So as soon as I do that, it creates a blank topic, um, this thing, blank topics. So it has created 6 topics. Now what I do is this pencil symbol, this indicates that if you click this you can edit this particular name. Okay, so right now it doesn't look nice when it says topic 1. So I'm going to change. I'm going to take the chapter's name, that is introduction and fundamentals. Let me call it as fundamentals, introduction and fundamentals. So I will just edit this. I will name it as module 1 colon introduction and fundamentals. And after you have typed the contents, you have to press enter to save the data. Okay, so as soon as you press enter, you can see the syllabus is, your topic is updated. Similarly you can do it for the others. Okay, so let's say module 2, that is topic 2 is control structure, and so module 2 is, let me say control and looping. Okay, enter. So like this you can create all the different modules. Okay, so once that is done, I will change one more thing. So after this is done, I can go to edit and click on edit topic. So what I usually do is, let's say for example in this particular first chapter there are 2 sub points that needs to be covered. So what I do is I just create those sub points over here in the summary and add those sub points. Okay, so I've added the sub points, and now I will click on save changes. So you can see what has happened. So now the module has that module's title and also the points that we are going to cover in this particular sub point. Okay, so this just gives you a basic idea. This part is completely optional. I usually prefer doing this so that I don't have to again go back and refer to the syllabus to see what all points have to be covered. So like this I just edit these settings, and finally once all my modules are set, I start with the next part, that is adding activities or resources to the modules. Okay, so this is how you add modules or topics to a subject. I hope you have understood the concept. See you in the next video.